Good morning. My name is Dustin Young, and I live in McAllister, Oklahoma. And I decided to attend Drone Command Live because in my current position, I do a lot of counter drone work, using equipment and writing policies and procedures for the Army installation that I work on. Counter drone is getting really big in the Department of Defense, and I find it all very interesting. But I'm leaving that position, so I'm trying to stay somewhere in the drone realm because I find it very interesting and kind of challenging too, and I like that. So I've decided that since I'm leaving my current position, I'm able to retire and live comfortably. But I don't want to just live comfortably. I want to live well. So I want to start my own business and get out there. Plus, I need something to do every day when I get up. Okay, once you get retired, I don't want to take up the rocking chair. I'm too young for that. So this is something that interests me and something I'd like to do. Biggest takeaway from the event so far are a lot of the FAA regulations and the 107 requirements. Damon mentioned yesterday that the geofences had been taken out of the DJI drones. I wasn't aware of that. That's big on the counter drone side, I know. So that was a big takeaway. And then all of the marketing stuff that Diego has thrown at us has just been awesome. I've never run a business. I've never started up a business. I'm looking forward to some more details as far as the marketing goes. I never would have thought to advertise the way he's recommending and throwing ourselves out there and using what we do for the clients versus, oh, well, these are just the services I offer. You know, I get the duh. I hope so. What was great about attending the virtually? That was just awesome for me because I didn't have to take off from work. I didn't have to travel. I was able to stay here because I have a lot of responsibilities back here, and this gives me the freedom to still meet the requirements I have back here and still be able to attend the seminars. So I really do appreciate the virtual thing. It came in really handy. I probably wouldn't have been able to attend otherwise. What would you say to someone who's on the fence about attending Drone Command? Do it. If you're interested, if the drone business is something you're really interested in or even curious about, attend Drone Command because that's going to give you the ideas that you need and the foundation for building a business and taking it to the next level and making good money. So highly recommend that you attend Drone Command. Damon and Diego know their stuff, and it's just been awesome listening to everything they had to say. What is one of the most valuable lessons you learned that you'll be able to implement rapidly and get results? Hopefully get that 107 test knocked out, get a drone purchased. Definitely going to go out with Diego's recommendations and start selling myself to local realtors. I think that's probably the best place for me to start. Also, there's a lot of oil and natural gas industry around here, cell phone towers, obviously. So try and work around with local realtors and start that base level there, get my first clients, build upon top of that. Okay, because I don't think anybody in my local area is providing this service to realtors at this time. So look forward to being able to do that. If you had to describe Damon and Diego, awesome guys, both hilarious, very entertaining. They keep your attention and they know their stuff. Okay, very, very, very intelligent. Both know what they're talking about. Gave me new ideas, things I never would have even thought about on my own. So I very much appreciate everything that they've taught us and I look forward to day 2 and day 3. Day 1 was awesome. Lots of information, lots to take in. I spent some time processing it last night. Looking forward to today and tomorrow and knocking this thing out of the ballpark and getting my business off the ground. So really do appreciate what Damon and Diego have done for us and I look forward to the rest of the seminar. Thank you.